Over 1.8 crore voters are ready to decide the destiny of 118 candidates who are in the fray in 7 Lok Sabha seats of Bihar as the state goes to polls today. Voting, which began at 7 in the morning, had lukewarm response from the general public. Scanty numbers were seen outside the polling booths in Hajipur, where voting began early morning. Quite a few voters chose to cast their vote before fulfilling their other responsibilities. Meanwhile, the polling booth officer at the station confirmed of smooth functioning without any sign of unwarranted activities.
लोगों का आना जाना हो रहा है। अभी प्रारंभिक समय है, शुरू का समय है, इसलिए थोड़ा लेट है। सारे मतदान कर्मी लोग पहुंच चुके हैं, कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
This report was brought to you by NNIS.